Imagine seeing your favorite actors, singers, athletes, comedians, and TV personalities all competing in one funny reality show. That's exactly what viewers are about to get with Fox's brand new entertainment series, Nation's Dumbest. The show premieres tonight and is already creating excitement because of its unique celebrity lineup and fun-filled challenges. If you're wondering what this new show is all about, who is competing, and why so many people are looking forward to it, stay with me, because I'll explain everything in simple and easy words. First, let's understand the idea behind the show. Even though the title is Nation's Dumbest, the program is not meant to insult anyone or test who is smartest. Instead, it is light-hearted comedy competition where celebrities take part in funny games, unexpected challenges, and entertaining tasks. The goal is simple: to make viewers laugh while showing a different side of famous personalities. Rather than serious competition, the show focuses on humor, teamwork, quick reactions, and those unexpected moments that make reality television fun to watch. Now let's meet the 12 celebrities joining the competition. The first contestant is Hilaria Baldwin, a well-known television personality. She has appeared in many interviews and TV programs over the years, and now fans will see her taking on comedy challenges in a completely different setting. Next is Carmen Electra, a famous model and actress. She has spent many years in the entertainment industry, and viewers are excited to watch her compete in this playful new format. Joining her is Anthony Michael Hall, an actor recognized for many popular movies and television projects. His experience in Hollywood makes him one of the most familiar faces of the show. Another contestant is Heder, who is famous for his comedy roles. Since making people laugh has always been part of his career, many fans are curious to see how he performs in these humorous challenges. Representing the young generation is Hudson, who is both a musician and actor. His popularity with young audience makes him one of the contestants many fans will be cheering for. The lineup also includes legendary rapper and actor Ice-T. Known for his music career and television work, he brings in years of entertainment experience to the competition. Singer-songwriter Elle is another exciting addition. She is famous for her powerful voice, but this time, viewers will see her outside the music world as she takes part in funny games and challenges. Sports fans will recognize Leinart, the former NFL quarterback. After years of competing in professional football, he now enters a completely different kind of competition where laughter is more important than touchdowns. Another joining the cast is Dr. Pinsky, the television personality and physician. Many people know him for his television appearances, but now they'll get to see his fun and playful side. Comedy wouldn't feel complete without Steve. The stunt performer and comedian is known for his fearless personality and entertaining style. Many viewers believe he could become one of the funniest contestants of the season. Another popular name is JoJo Siwa. The singer and performer is known for her colorful personality, endless energy, and positive attitude. Her enthusiasm could make every challenge even more entertaining. Completing the lineup is entrepreneur and former presidential candidate Andrew Young. While people usually know him for business and public life, this show gives audience the chance to see a more relaxed and humorous side of him. One thing that makes Nation's Dumbest stand out is the variety of people competing together. The cast includes actors, musicians, athletes, comedians, TV personalities, and even an entrepreneur. Since everyone comes from different backgrounds, every challenge can produce surprising and funny results. Some contestants may perform better than expected, while others might struggle with simple tasks in hilarious ways. That's exactly what makes this show enjoyable to watch. Unlike traditional reality competitions that focus on cooking, singing, dancing, or physical strength, this series is all about creating fun moments that everyone can enjoy. Winning is important, but making viewers smile is a real goal. As the season moves forward, audience can expect new games, funny interactions, unexpected surprises, and plenty of memorable moments. Some celebrities become fan favorite because of their personalities rather than performance in the challenges. Whether you enjoy comedy, reality show, movie, music, sports, or celebrity entertainment, this series offers something for almost everyone. The premiere episode introduces all 12 celebrities and begin their journey through a series of entertaining competitions. It will also give viewers their first look at how each contestant reacts under pressure when a challenge becomes unpredictable. It will be interesting to see who stays calm, who surprises everyone, and who creates the funniest moment of the season. I think this show is a fresh idea. because it mixes celebrities from completely different backgrounds in fun and relaxed competition. Sometimes the best entertainment comes from watching famous people enjoy themselves, laugh together, and show a different side that fans don't usually get to see. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy to understand entertainment news. And I'll see you in the next video.